Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Peloton owner, you know that nothing kills your workout vibe faster than a wobbly bike. In this video, we're tackling the question, why is your Peloton wobbly? Let's dive right in. First off, a wobbly Peloton is usually caused by a few common issues. The most frequent culprit is an uneven floor. If your bike is rocking back and forth, it might be because your workout space isn't level. Another big reason could be loose parts. Things like bolts, pedals, or the handlebars might have come undone over time with regular use. And don't forget about wear and tear. If your Peloton is a few years old, components could be worn out, leading to instability. Now, let's talk solutions. Start by checking your floor. Grab a level tool from your toolkit or even use a phone app to see if the surface is flat. If it's not, you can use shims. Those are just thin pieces of material like wood or rubber, to even things out. Next, inspect for loose parts. Turn off your bike, grab a wrench, and go over the bolts on the base, seat, and handlebars. Tighten anything that's wiggly, but be careful not to over-tighten and damage the threads. If the wobbling persists, it might be time to look at the pedals or the resistance knob for any signs of wear. For a deeper fix, consult your Peloton manual or reach out to customer support. They're super helpful. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing this in the future. Wipe down your bike after use, check for loose parts monthly, and keep it on a stable surface. By 2025, Peloton might have even more advanced stability features, but for now, these tips should keep you steady. If you're dealing with a persistent issue, don't hesitate to call in a professional to avoid any safety risks. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness fixes. Ride on.